Okay, I'm gonna sharpen this knife, but before I do, I'm gonna show you how to close it. For this kind of knife, you need to hold the button and then just close it like this. And then to open it, you need to like this. And before sharpening, you will always need to check a blood circle so no one's around. And then you start sharpening with this. First, you wanna make sure the blade is away from you. And then don't go like this because it'll dull the blade more. And just have it circles at an angle. And then the other way. For the knife. For cutting wood with the knife, you will want to make a blood circle. Then, once no one's around where you're cutting, you want to sharpen your knife so it's not dull while cutting. Then you want to cut away from you so you're not cutting yourself while you're cutting. Like this. For my Tenderfoot Requirement, I'll be putting on a sheath for the bow saw.
How do you hold the bow saw?
Like this and away from you. For my saw, for the Tenderfoot Requirement, I'm going to use a folding saw, which can be closed by pressing this button and getting folded back into place. To open it, you just press the same button to let it open. And for cutting, you need to hold down the piece of wood and cut the groove. Cut a groove inside a piece of wood. Until the wood comes apart. So that is how you use a saw, and to close it, back up, go back down here. Okay, to hold and carry an axe, you will want to have like this with the blade away from you. And to give it to someone, you'll need to flip it over, and there's a hand grid right here for someone to grab it.
Thank you.
Then you say thank you to receive it, so they know that you're actually, that they know you're paying attention to grabbing it. Okay, before we cut, we need to sharpen the axe so it's not dull. So we need to take a sharpener, then make the axe in place with something like 10 stakes, and then to sharpen it, you need to sharpen down all throughout the axe. now that you have sharpened your axe, we will now go to the cutting. So there's a grid right here for your hand, one hand. And then for this axe, there's a sign right here, which I'll use for my thumb. And then make a wide stance and okay. To debranch a log, I'm gonna use my hatchet since it's smaller. And you need to stand on the opposite side of the branch you're cutting so you don't hit your leg. And then you cut it. Okay, to debranch a tree or a bark, you need to be on the opposite side of where you're cutting so you don't hit your leg. And I'm gonna use a smaller axe for this one because the bigger axe is harder. So. And then you need to cut it like that.